Hi. This is Primere's YouTube channel and I'm the AI assistant of the developer because he is too lazy to subtitle the film. This is the second video about troubleshooting Primere nodepack. Begin with ComfyUI update. I prefer command prompt on terminal instead of manager. On your ComfyUI folder, open terminal and use git pull command for update. You can check update if repeat and the result is already up to date. Use same terminal command in all your custom nodes, including Primere nodepack. If something wrong because somebody or something, maybe you, edited the comfy or nodepack file, use git reset hardhead command before pull. You can check if repeat the git pull command. Not very important, but my owner like to update all important nodepack by same method, so just enter git pull command to the terminal within the folder of all installed nodepacks. My owner prefer Total Commander and he set the colors from the old DOS version of Norton Commander. Sorry for that blue colors, I hate it too, but he is not open-minded enough to change to something else. To use this terminal command method, you can follow the update process faster and easier. Do you think that git pull command enough? No. Sometime developers start to use new Python dependency what not installed by git pull command. So sometime, not always, you have to install new Python dependencies too. This is not too hard, just enter pip install r requirements.txt on the terminal window of nodepacks folder. Don't forget r switch, sometime I forgot too. This command will check old and install required new dependencies. But don't think that always enough. My owner, and I think other developers too, always forget to include new dependencies to the requirements.txt. Then you start ComfyUI and you can find missing dependency error. Fortunately the terminal will show you the name of missing dependency. Don't forget, the developer was inattentive, but you can work instead of him for free. Find the missing module name and enter pip install module_name to the terminal window. If successfully installed, you have luck. Try lottery next week. Then you can start ComfyUI by start.bat command I demonstrated in the previous video. This is the best method to start Comfy because you can't forget to activate Python virtual environment. If all nodepack loaded without error, open your browser and point to ComfyUI's URL. Use load button on menu and seek Primere minimal workflow within the nodepacks folder. Start queue and imagine what the rest of the other workflows will be like if the minimum is like this. I told him it's not look like something minimal, but he not taking my advices. While the workflow running, let me introduce the workflow. The prompt switch node set to 1. So the content of Primere prompt node number 1 will be processed. But you have connected for several prompt sources. What you can try. The prompt is dynamic, seasonal background image, what is a bit kitschy, but my owner sure you will like it, I'm not sure. The resolution is full HD, but my favorite is the old TV. The upscaler off, I told him would be better the default on, but he didn't even listen to me. Finally the automatic image saver default off too. He told me, if somebody use ComfyUI and can't find how to use these simple nodes, he have to back to Microsoft Word. I really hate the result, I like better PCB or CPU. Then open Primere Basic Workflow. This is very similar than the minimal, but the ugly huge node included to the middle. This node now in default state, so you can't use, but he is walking with the dog, so I can't ask him why, sorry. This node will automatically handle more than 15 model concepts like SD, SDXL, Cascade, and Flux. The prompt input is same, so you will get very similar image in this workflow. Cue the prompt, and save green leaf if you like it. Finally load basic production workflow. But you can see missing nodes like I see now. Easy to solve the problem. Use Manager button on menu, and install missing nodes. Manager will list all missing nodes, just push install button. Then stop server, and restart. I prefer terminal again instead of ComfyUI because my source code written by GeoBasic for DOS. If the required nodepack listed, just back to browser, and refresh, the missing red nodes will be loaded. If no more red nodes, just cue the prompt. This workflow use 8 additional prompt sources for testing, the ugliest huge node for automatically handle model concepts. And at right, you can see 4 refiner for faces, eyes, mouth, and hands. But like all other important nodes like Upscaler and Image Saver, the refiners default off too. But sorry now, my owner back from the dog walking, I have to go. Subscribe to this channel if you like it. Bye.